got graphic skills with creativity.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Yeah, good evening guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys is doing absolutely great. Today, as I said, I'm going to teach you how you can make an online classes presentation slideshow on your Android smartphone using your Kinemaster. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. In order to achieve this, there are two things involved. The first thing is to get the footage, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. And the second thing is to get the images in ascending order. How do we do this? Let me quickly walk you through on how you can achieve this. Now this is my Kinemaster interface, and this is exactly how your Kinemaster interface should look like. Then after getting this, there must be a background which you are going to select. So click on the median, then you go to the image asset, then you click on the black. Now you have to extend it to reach something like a minute, 1 minute. After that, you click on back. Then we are going to click on the layer, click on the median, and bring in the footage. I'm going to my download where I have where I have the footage. Then I'm going to bring it in, move it in, just as this, or let it be here. So after being here, then the next thing you are going to do is to just position it. Just let it fit in, just exactly like this. After you're able to do that, the next thing is we have a green screen. You can see these are the green screen. We need to remove it so that we can be able to position all our images there. So now tap on it, then you go to the chroma key. Then you enable it, then you see you have to use the key color to let it be green so that I can remove the green. So I'm tapping here, tapping on the green, then I want it to be more dark, a little bit darker. So now I've removed all the green screen there. So the next thing is to just we'll come to where the images is, just as this. Then after that, so we'll start from here. Okay, good. So we'll go to the layer, then go to the median. So we have to locate where we have all our images one after the other. So the first one is this. So which we are going to come here, reduce the size, then we'll have it positioned around here. So we need to click on these three line dots and send it to the back. Then as you can see, after that we need to reduce the size. Just reduce this to stop here. Okay, so when you look at it, everything is actually plumb at this place. So we can move it here. Then here we're going to select another images. We're selecting another image, which is the second image. So we come here, then we select these images, we crop it, and we make it fit in here. So we'll make it fit in here a little bit. So now let's send it to the back. Okay, so after sending it to the back, we are going to add more by or we'll make it to be 2:2. Take it for instance, we are going to bring this, let it be 2:2 or 3:3 because it's somehow many. Yeah, okay, we'll have a lot of it, so let it be 3:3 so that we see how it look. So take it for instance, we have this which cover here. So from here we're having another one which you are going to check properly. Then from here we're having another 3. So starting from that, then that stop here. So we're going to click on our layer where we are going to select another image of our choice. So we reduce, we crop just as perfect as this, then increase it. Use the send back button to send it back. So after that, that will carry like 3. Okay, cool. So once you carry like 3, it should be enough. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do is to go to the next images, which we are going to select this. We're going to select this. So in selecting this, we're going to make it something like 3. So we need to crop. Okay, so you have to crop it very well, then send it to the back. So after achieving that, and let that one still go a long way, just in like that 3. So in reaching the 3 side, then we are going to uh, select another image to fit in. Take it for instance, uh, let's select this, go back to the gallery, then we'll go to download, then we'll look at the another images which we can actually use. So take it for instance, we want to use this. Okay, well, I forgot to crop, so we need to crop it just as this. Okay, so we click OK. Okay, we click OK. So we can just manage and position that here. Okay, we can manage and position it here. So click on 3 line dot and send to the back. So and this is actually what this is actually plumb. So the next thing we're going to do after that is to start from here. Okay, after that, the next thing we're going to do, we'll go back to our gallery. Then, but before that, we'll have to set this. So take it for instance, or the images will go the same way. So we'll have this. Then we'll go to the image area, click on the median, then access where we have the images. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next thing we're going to do is to just click on this. Let's click on this. Then we'll have to crop. So let's move it this way. We'll have to crop it and have it position around there. We can increase the size. Okay, go to cropping. Then we can crop very well. We need to just shift a bit. Let's shift. So let's crop now. So this will be here, and we'll have this here. So which you need to go along with it. Okay, so we can turn it on the feather, then we'll send it to the back. Okay, it's actually plumb. So after that, we're going to start from here again, where we import other images. So we'll go there, go to the image area, then we import this. You can see, right? So what we're going to do next is to just move it, then we'll position it around here, as you can see. Then we'll go to opacity, reduce the opacity. Why? Because we'll be able to we'll be able to crop it perfectly. I'll be able to see everything. So once you position it, enable the cropping, and this is good. So we're going to repeat the same process by go back to our gallery, then import the images. Then we're going to reduce the size, move it a bit to be around this area. Then we'll go to the opacity, reduce the opacity for you to see clearly. So after seeing clearly, you turn on back, then we'll go to crop, then you crop it, perfectly. Then you enable the cropping. So what we need to do next is to go to opacity, then increase it, go there and send it to the back. If it doesn't go, you can bring send to the back, send back. So it must have gone like that. So we'll come here, then we reduce, increase the opacity that we have reduced. So cool, right? So we'll go to the last one. Okay, go to the last one. Sorry. So we'll go to the last one, which is go to the layer, then you bring the last image. Okay, so we increase just exactly like this. Go to the opacity, then we'll reduce the opacity. Okay, so reduce this, then we'll have a position around here. Okay, okay, increase, then let's go to crop. Let's go to crop. Okay, good. So we can send it to the back, but before they go to opacity increase, then can send it to the back. Okay, and everything is actually plumb. So you go to the edge here, just this edge, then you use your trim and trim to the right, and everything is rhyme, right? So we can still cut it from this particular area. So it's cool. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to put a write-up online classes presentation. So we come here, we have online classes presentation. Online classes presentation. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to select the kind of a font we want. Online classes presentation. So let's go to the font type. Then we look at the font Lato. Let's check Lato. So Lato is okay, right? So after giving this, we go to the in animation. Then we'll go to fade. So and it should be 1.5. So we'll back. Then we'll go to the layer, click on the okay. Let's see. So the same thing applicable to this. We'll go to the right text area, then we'll have slideshow. Slideshow. Okay. So after that, we go to the font type, then we select. Let's look at the Alicia font. And written. Alex brush should be okay. So we'll have this. We increase the size, right? So and this will be around here. Okay, cool. Then we'll go to in animation. Then we'll have in animation, we'll have fit. Then it will be 1.5. Then we click on back. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut it. So we'll have to cut. Okay, good. So trim to the right. Okay. So let's see. Okay. 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 So you need some of adjustment anyway. Okay. Okay, cool. So now let's adjust and see where there are some error where the error is. So take it for instance, we check in this, starting from here. Okay, okay, go like this till the last one. So when we check here, it go like this, and this just cover once. But when we start from here, so we need to shift this to come here. So it will come like this. Then we'll make sure it extends to this place. The same thing applicable to this. Okay, we're going to adjust this as well. Okay, so I believe everything is actually plumb. So only this I want it to center. Then okay, okay, so now everything is playing. Let's see. Okay, this here, let me check what actually happened. This place. Okay, okay, sorry. So this place, what actually happened? Let's divide this, split it. So after splitting it, we can deal with it. Okay, okay, we'll send it to the back. So I believe it's working now. So we can look at this. So here too, we need to just check and split. So which means this is okay. So we'll come here, then we'll split it into two. So after splitting, we'll return this back here. Okay, I believe it's plumb like this. So this one we are going to, so when it reach here, we are going to divide it, just split into two. So when you move this, we can be able to move and adjust. So everything is cool. Then this to the last stage. Okay, so now let's play it once again. Okay, okay, there's something around here which you need to check. So we need to click here, bring it to the front, then we send it to the back again. So let's see. So yeah, let's move this to this side. Okay, okay, good. So let replay. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, the last but not the least. So everything is actually cool, right? Good. So what we're going to do now, or is to, I'm going to adjust this. One must start before another one. So we'll look at this. Okay, cool. So the slideshow should not start first. So we'll start now. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is cool. So now let's use a music. We need a music over. Click on the audio, then your access the kind of music you actually wanted. So let's look at it. So let's check. Let's use this. And I believe the sound is actually okay. So we can trim it out. Sorry, we can trim it using go back, then trim from the right. So let's back. I want us to back and check something. Then we'll go back there. Then let's check whether there is a kind of error. So let's play. I want to check this right up here. It shouldn't go down. We'll bring it to the front. Okay. So let replay. Okay, very good. So now you can have it saved. Let's save it. You save it. This is just, and this is just a simple way on how you can make an online classes presentation slideshow on your Kinemaster using your smartphone. I believe we'll learn something from this. May God bless us all. Thanks for watching once again.